Assalamualaikum. All this time I've been waiting for the lady of my life. Thank you, my Allah, for sending me my wife. She's a blessing from the sky above.
Hey, let me give it to you.
I've been waiting for the lady of my life. Thank you, my Allah, for sending me my wife. She's a blessing from the sky above.
Oh, should I will get can I ask the guys we need at least another one fan.
Thank you. We thank God for this great opportunity. Not every parent will have this opportunity or the opportunity to witness this joyous, meritorious occasion. Meritorious in the sense that it's part of the graduation stages in life. Graduating from school, high school, that concludes that segment of our academic pursuit. But when it comes to moral pursuit, how we're raised, an accomplishment or moral or religious accomplishment for a parent or parents, this says it all. This Akidun Nikkah I welcome our father. Wa alaikum salam. Please let him come over.
Oh my God, no! Somebody just no, we can't go. No, we can't go. We'll sit on the edge of the
It was a can of soda.
No, not that one. That is
Just a little bit in it. So I think we carried it over.
No.
Oh no, we're cleaning this up.
Yes. One of the sunnahs, practices of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said that ma lam yukrimu kabirana wala yarham saghirana falaysa minna. Whoever cannot show mercy on the younger ones and cannot honor an elderly person is not part of us. is not a believer. I recognize the presence of our father. The age when Allah was talking to us in the Holy Quran. Of course, I'm going to deviate a little bit because it's a gathering of learning and a gathering of blessing. Most times, when people want blessing, they are going to their pastors, their imams, and all kind of people asking for blessing. Blessing doesn't just come from prayer. Sometimes, and many times, you have to act. Your action will bring the blessing without anybody having to utter a word. One of the ways to hand blessing success in this world is for you to honor your parents, your mother, your father. Automatically, God's blessing will come. For you to honor the older people, the elders. When Allah was even talking about it, He said, I created you from weakness, and you were weak when they gave birth to you. After that, Allah said that everyone started acting like they are all dead, macho men, pretty ladies, handsome men. Allah said that after that, know that there is a stage that is going to come. And that's the stage of the weakness that we created you with. Mimba the dafi kuwa. Mimba the kuwa dafi was shaibad. Now we combine it. The second weakness that will come with honor. It will come with age, chronological, social, physiological. Everything will be combined in that. Allah said that honor them. I created it like that for a purpose and to serve a purpose. And we ask Allah in His infinite mercy to show mercy on the couple. If he's not looking at anything, he should look at the shahibati. Shahibati, the gray hair that our father came with. The one that has done it like that is a sign of mercy. We welcome him and may Allah bless the gathering. The Nikkah ceremony in Islam is not a big thing. It's not. And usually I pick my lecture except when the specific guy invite me for a certain topic. Like this is exactly what we're going to talk about. Even on those occasions, I usually follow the word of Allah. That وَفِي الْأَرْضِ آيَاتُ الْمُوقِنِينَ وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ وَفِي الْأَرْضِ لَحَيَاتُ الْمُوقِنِينَ. Wherever you go to Hayat, you will see the signs of Allah, لِلْمُوقِنِينَ, for those who are sensible, intelligent. وَفِي الْأَرْضِ لَحَيَاتُ الْمُوقِنِينَ وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ, and among yourself, wherever you are, at a certain time, at a certain moment, among yourself, the people around you, you will find the lecture of the day there. أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. It's just that most people who are trying to adulterate Allah's mercy or Allah's wisdom, they just don't look back, they just don't ponder. You have to ponder. There are a lot of lectures here. If you're going to pick topic, there are topics here. I will deviate a little bit away from the topic of, older people and all that. But that's a lesson, especially for the younger ones. For the younger ones, if you want Allah, if you want God, if you want mercy, if you want nature to be kind with you, honor the older people. That is lacking in our community all around the world today. The social, the media world has corroded the heart of many younger people. Please, that's a lesson. And now, the occasion of the day. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, our prophet, he did all kinds of marriages, but he advised for one. He himself, when his daughter got married, the whole community of Mecca, Medina converged. Of course, he was the anointed person. He was the president. He was everything. The leader, Hadiyan, Radiyan, Muallima, Hadiyan. He was the one guiding the community. The knowledge was superb, and you can attest to this. If you're a scientist, go and look at the stipulates of our prophet. If you are into liberal heart, go and read about him. If you are into law, go and see what he enacted. They are superb, and they are the things that we are building on today. Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he celebrated Fatima's wedding for the big occasion. But when he was getting married to some of his wives, you'll be surprised that in one of the riwayat, they said that, you see, the cloth, like the cloth that our father had here around his neck, they brought the wife, and that was what he put on the floor, and he asked people like, who can loan me some bread or give me some bread? And of course, you know, when Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked in that manner, he already knew. Everybody wanted to give him something. Who doesn't want the blessing of God? He put it like that, and people quickly went inside, put some date and bread, and that was the ceremony. He encouraged that. And there are other people, one of his followers, one of them, Abdurrahman bin Auf, who happened to be probably the richest person at that time. Just like we have Jeff Bezos now. He was Jeff Bezos of Syria community, Jordan, that peninsula, the Zerrat al-Arabiya. He got married, but you know, most rich people, they're usually very humble. It just didn't start now. It has started a long time ago. And the guy just did it. He was like, oh, and the prophet told him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he knew that he could afford certain things, but he told him, like, you know, show love to the people around here. Give them, slaughter a sheep for them to eat. He slaughtered the sheep, and they provided, you know, all kind of things. They added gold wedding. Where I'm getting to, I'm impressed with this couple. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the sunnah of the prophet is the fa'alaykum bi bazaza. What is bazaza? Simplicity. Islam wants simplicity. Anything that is not that is complicated is not part of our religion. Now, people today, you hear that I cannot conduct the marriage, I cannot have the wedding because the hall is going to be $50,000. The cake is going to be, I don't know how much they sell. The caterers are going to charge blah 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 blah. That is not the sunnah. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that the marriage that will be blessed by God is the marriage where you have invited the rich and the poor. Most of those marriages that you have in those extraordinary expensive halls today, you know who you are inviting. You know, in fact, you know, people like me will not be able to enter, because by the time I wanted to enter and I started seeing, you know, Gucci, Vendi, all kind of brand name, I've been like, ah, this one, you know, they take her and the thing where they bring for Africa. You go just come on, jelly, like, ah, this one's too powerful.
It's cowhead.
Huh?
Cowhead.
Cowhead.
Yeah.
Yes, man. I go run come out now. But today, I felt comfortable. I first of all, when our mother told me that They are the back. I first of all stay back. And one of our mothers said, they are over there. Okay. As I was coming in, I was like, this one, is not. This is not usual. It's welcoming. It's welcoming for people like me. And I know that even those who are going to wear all those brand names, they too, they will still feel confident that they are not too below us, but you know, we're the real deal. But when looking at your Rolex, we're not looking at all that. What we want for this blessing is God's mercy. And we ask God to bless this occasion. Simplicity. Don't just let the simplicity stop here. Don't let it slide away. In every part of your aspect of your life, let that simplicity that Islam preaches, let it rule in your home. Eat with simplicity. When you have kids, celebrate them with simplicity. Teach them. Let them know that this world is temporary. Mata is an enjoyment that will last but for a little. Summa mawahum. Allah said that you're going to return back to the real thing. And that real thing was what Allah was talking about when He was saying, لَتَرَوُنَّ الْجَحِيمِ ثُمَّ لَتَرَوُنَّ عَيْنَ الْيَقِينِ ثُمَّ لَا تُسْأَلُونَ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ. That a time is going to come that you will witness the real thing. Al-Yaqeen. Yaqeen is certainty. That certainty, the only certainty that a lot of us know today is the certainty of death. But there are more certainties after that. There are certainties of heaven. There are certainties of hellfire. There are certainties of angels. There are certainties of all kinds of things. We are living in a misery world. And it's full of misery itself. Live, and I'm encouraging you. This admonition that I'm giving is not just for you. I'm giving it to myself too. And we ask God to guide us aright. Wedding in Islam is very simple. Don't be scared. Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared.
You sure? What about if she said that she wants that penthouse in Manhattan for her dowry? What you gonna do now? I love this guy. He already tapped into the wisdom already. He played it back. Simplicity. And of course, since he says that, I'll plead with you. Please take it easy on him. Be simple. Nikkah, la nikah illa bi mawali wa wali wa sadaqi wa shuhudi. One of the things that we need to find out is the consent. That's your mic. My sister here. Hello. Okay, you want to give it to her.
Thank you.
Islam wants us to be sure that a lady is not coerced into wedding, into marriage, into relationship. I would like to ask in front of man and God, and I'm scared, and I'm going to ask this 3 times, because when I saw the macho man coming, I know that it's somebody who can scare you around shoppers or janitor, like, you know, if you don't marry me. So, were you coerced into this by your parents?
No.
Say it, let them hear.
No.
No?
No,
Have you been terrified by his size that, you know, can do anything in the area? You sure? Even though, you know, guys like that, they'll be smiling, but they know what they can do. You sure that you're not terrified? You're not that you are not coerced into this?
No.
Are you doing this willingly?
Yes.
You are not forced. So this, you are doing this willingly. Takbir. I'm not supposed, Islam doesn't require me to ask for the guy, but sometimes just to have fun. Are you coerced to marry her? No. I know he's been so excited already. So we thank Allah. The next thing, Waliyu. Waliyu is the custodian of the lady. Islam has done a lot for women. If there are people who are supposed to appreciate Islam, it's supposed to be women. In every aspect and areas of life. A woman is supposed to have a guardian. The work of that guardian is not just today. The work of that guardian has started from the day she was born. That responsibility must be here. Now goes further as she's getting to that age when she's going to be, flocked around by all these guys. You're supposed to be that bulldog, but your kind of bulldog is a bulldog that be smiling the way you're smiling. You smile, but you didn't know that you stare there. If they are not serious, and you let them know that, if you're really serious, come and meet me. Who says that a woman cannot toast a guy? Islam has that. They only do it through the sunnah. They always have their guardian who's their confidant. They will just tell. I always tell all my, prospective, ladies that, let me know. We have our guys out there. Oh, you like that guy? They are the one that are going to go and tell the guy, like, we want you to meet this person. She just doesn't need to go and say, the wali and the co-wali, they will do the work for her. And by the time, and that work is not a work that they're going to coerce her. If she was seeing him from far away and thought that, he's a really nice person, and the guy get closer, all she needs to say is be nice and tell them that I don't want him. And they are the one that will tell them that, sir, back up. We don't want you around her. That is Islam for you. It's a protection. She's allowed to. So we have you, waliyu al-adil. Waliyu al-adil. I'm remembering my teacher. Waliyu al-adil means that a very just guardian. A just guardian. And I pray and hope that you will serve as that to them.
Amen. Her dad is right here.
Where is that?
Right there.
MashaAllah. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
So we have awliya. May Allah bless you. You're waliyul adil. So you are the one. Today's contract is between you and this man. And you have to serve that purpose genuinely. Against when Allah was saying, وَأَتَّى لِمَنْ لَا أُبِهِ ذَوِّ الْقُرْبَ وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَالسَّائِلِينَ وَفِي الرِّقَابِ. Allah said that this opportunity that I've given to you, you have to perform your duty against everything, against your own soul, because our weaknesses. وَأَتَّى لِمَنْ لَا أُبِهِ, against your own feeling, you make her the primary, and you execute the duty the way it's supposed to be executed. Check on them. Check on them. Use your wisdom to preach things within them. You are a man, you know what a man wants. And most marriages, when you see a very successful marriage, most times the father has done the work on the day. Because most of the things that the guy will want to tell his wife, she will be like, they use all kind of words today. It will be like, you know, you're just trying to subdue me to yourself. You're just trying to do this. You're just trying to. It's a man that will explain, the father. You know that your father has your interest. Your uncles have your interest. Most things, my words, I will talk to them. And most things I'll tell them, they will listen to it. Rather than, you know, when they are with their husband, you know, there could be an argument back and forth. But they know that, you know, I won't get nothing from it, from lying to them. What I want is success, harmonious wedding, union. And that's what a father should do. Also, when you see a successful marriage, probably the father and the mother, they've rocked the weather. They've gone up and down, up and down. The mother learned a lot from the father, and she was the one that will now encourage, advise. So you, the parents, when Allah was talking about wedding in the Quran, I was trying not to do a lot of lecture before rounding this up. Allah said, وَبَعَثُ أَكَمَ مِنْ آلِهِ سورة النساء وَأَكَمَ مِنْ أَهْلِهَا إن يريد إصلاحا يوفق الله بينهما إن الله كان عليما حكيما. Allah said that when there are situations among couples, we have shaitan, evil and devils among human beings. When they aggravate the situation, the whole thing will not be resolved. And that's why Allah said, let's have some wise men from the house of the man, appointed and the non-appointed. And from her house, those who have a genuine interest, bring them out. If those people, if they want success, Allah said that I usually put good luck. If those people want success, good luck will come. That will be resolution. But if you have those who don't want it, like my father would say, he said that you lost a horse. Now they said that go and look, you should go and find people to help you look for your horse. And you pick somebody who has stone with him, throwing it at the horse, you will never find it. You will keep chasing the shadow. So, how come I'm going to bring those ones out too. But al-waliyu al-adil, al-waliyu, we have you the wali. And you have to know, this is your friend now. I don't want to go into tafsir. I don't want to go into tafsir today. Because what, you know, once a girl is married to a guy, the guy has a power that is superior to that of the parent. Women, subhanallah, women, they have to be chaperoned by the father, uncle, brothers up to a stage. At a stage, they are handed over because they are precious. You have to hand them over to their husband. And if the old age comes, if Allah has blessed the husband with sons, who will tell them? That's what happened with our scholars when they will be telling their sons that, you know, just leave me. Whatever will be, your mother, your mother, your mother, your mother. That's the way their life goes. So we have you, the contract. You got to be his friend. You got to be his friend. The mutual friendship. You're going to benefit. Because, you know, whenever you want to tell her something, He's the best person that will be able to convey your message. As you are the best person that will convey his message. So you gotta be his friend. His smart father-in-law is always a friend of your son-in-law. You're not going to get it for that. What's Sadaki? What about the dowry? The dowry should be given to the lady. And it's not supposed to be shared among the family, what we see in Africa. If you guys want some extra thing, talk to the man, but let him give. That is personal. The dowry is personal. What shuhud and the eyewitness. Islam doesn't encourage wedding that doesn't have eyewitness. Secret marriage. No, it doesn't. It wants at least shahidaini adilaini. Shahidaini, those are eyewitness that are sound mentally. Not the one that were asked that, Mr. Zaki, were you there at the wedding? And we'll be like, me? Was I there? No, we don't need people like that. We need people, mahirun, smart people, whom when you ask, yes, I was there. Yes, this was what you said. This was the reply of this person. We need those kind of people. We don't need people who are embezzled. The undesirable elements of the society. No, we need the real people to attest to the wedding. So now I know that the first one, the consent, we've gotten your consent that you are not, well, you fought by her that you have to marry her. Okay, thank you. Then after that, we have the al-wadi. The sadaki, the dowry, it can come in different ways. Have you guys made that arrangement among yourself, within yourself? Is this something that you want me to announce to the world? It all depends on you. If you want, yeah, you know, but what we need to confirm is that I have really need your yes, I didn't ask the question. Then, have you given you your dowry? Sure. Sure. Don't worry, we're a lot of us. Yeah, he's a big guy, but you know, we have a lot of men here. We can hold him. You good? And you are pleased. Raditu billahi rabban. So we have cleared that, the consent. We've seen the wali. We've talked about the dowry. May Allah put his barakah in that dowry. Wa shuhud, all of us here, we are eyewitnesses. In fact, if I look at the back over there, I've seen all the eyewitnesses that are just coming from Saudi Arabia. MashaAllah, ahlan bikum. Are you the mushahideen? The eyewitnesses of this day. We ask God to bless the occasion. MashaAllah. You see, we have more than enough eyewitnesses here. You are welcome. So, once we've concluded on that, only Surah Al-Fatiha alone, we've concluded. Of course, some of our scholars, they now read some of the ayahs Tawheed. And that is it. The Sanni Nikkah will be done. Now, Ijabatu wa Qubul. Sir, you got to stand up at this time, sir. Come over. And sir, that's the man that's going to give you the lady. You're sitting down. Okay. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. You see, he's playing it cool. So today, you will say that according to the Sunnah of Rasul. Say it after me.
According to the Sunnah
of Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, I'm offering my daughter. Mention her name.
Nyanda.
Nyanda,
Katta.
as a wife. To you.
I ask Allah.
What's your name again? Yussuf? I told Yussuf. Yussuf.
Yussuf Olamide.
Sanni, as a wife. As a wife. May Allah bless it for you. Now you have to accept.
I accept.
Now,
I Yussuf Olamide's son.
I accept.
My wife.
Nyanda. Okay, give him the names.
Nyanda, Doma, Doma son.
Okay, as your wife. May Allah bless it for you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتون إلا وأنتم مسلمون. يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم وما يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد. Amen. Give him a big handshake and give him a big hug. Now, shake your wife and say, Allahumma inni as'aluka khayra الذي جبرتها ونعوذ بك من الشر الذي جبرتها يا رب العالمين. Usually, that is something that you do later, but I try to do this because I don't know if, that's going to be done. So at least, that's to keep evil hide away from both of you guys. May Allah bless you. رد عين عين ولقب الناس البصر عترا ثم يرجع البصر كارتين يمكن يديك البصر وهذا ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. You can have a seat, sir. I know that the program, and that is it. They are married. They are Mr. and Mrs. Yussuf Sanni. You are not married, huh? Rasul said that when you are not married, yours he said that when you are not married, I will forgive a poor person Don't with it. Whoever is not married. That says the law. Means the law. And inshallah, we will discover law. There are a lot of wells that ask Allah to get. Just be sincere with each other. Work together. Allah told us that even if you are poor, say the Allah is very Muslim. If you guys work together, say the Allah will marry. It comes from God. And that good luck is what people are running away from. You see somebody saying that, you know, I'm trying to save money before I get married. And they will know that aspect of their life. And by the time they are 50, 60, you will not ask them, where is that money? You will say that it's still saving. It's nowhere to be found, like our father just said. Leave everything for Allah. Allahu Razaq. Allah is the one that gives sustenance, and He is the sufficient one. Just leave matter to Him, and you will see how He will handle it. Where is the ring?
Right here. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I was ready to.
MashaAllah.
Did you want the ring or
the ring? Okay. Let that our brother, let him have it. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. So take it to them.
Yes.
Open it. Open it. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Now, Sheikh Yussuf, take the rings. MashaAllah. So give to your wife. Allahumma anta salam wa minka salam. Tabarakta ya zal jalal wal ikram. Allahumma anta salam wa minka salam. تبارك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. اللهم أنت السلام ومنك السلام. تبارك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. May it be peaceful. May your stay and living together be showered with peace. May your life be showered with peace. May the peace of Allah be with you. Every time, when you are awake, when you are asleep, the peace of Allah be with you and your generation to come. May Allah give you good children who will listen to you, who will be qurrat ayun, adornment of your eyes. Allahumma ameen. And we ask our Father to pray. Let you have for them, sir. This one. Allah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. الحمد لله حمدا وشكرا لله حمدا وشكرا سرا وجا. I will go with the one that our parents do. حمدا وشكرا سرا وجارة. حمدا وشكرا سرا وجارة. لله رب العالمين We're thankful to God. We're thankful. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Well, that rounds up the part, the sunnah part. I will leave the cake part. I will come and collect mine later. I will leave it for the people from Saudi. You see, your appearance is like those of Arabs. Ya Asdiqai min Azab. You the friend of this group. And for the family, all the family, we thank you. I have to do this because if you look at it won't be nice if we refuse to make little conversation in Arabic. Look at their presentation, look at how they came. In fact, you will think, it really resembles most of those teachers in Saudi. And no joke, some of those Aswan teachers that come from Egypt that are that, it resembles them. In fact, when it was coming, I was like, I got to bring my books out today. Sheikh Yussuf, and Allah will make it happen. Yes, Allah will make it happen. You will follow in your education, both academically, Western academically, and Islamically. Inshallah Rahman. Thank you very much for attending this occasion. For the cake, who's going to cut the cake for them? Do we have a preparation for that, or you just dump everything on the mom that cake? Well, if you dump it up to that cake, then I might as well get my dinner. Okay. So you have your own. Why are you putting it home by yourself? Take it off.
I ain't gonna put them on now.
No. Take it. Okay. She's got to give it to you. Aha. MashaAllah. Allahumma anta salam. Tabarak ya zal jalal wal ikram. اللهم أنت السلام تبارك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام آمين اللهم أنت السلام تبارك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. May it be peaceful. May it be peaceful. Amen. So both of you guys, I think it's now time to cut the cake.
Alright. The cake.
Yeah. It's time to cut the cake. It's part of the occasion.
Oh, they didn't bring a knife.
MashaAllah. Do we have people who want to participate in this?
Miami. Knife back. Where's this one there?
Okay. MashaAllah.
Oh, the finesse me.
Where's the knife?
Why my sister bought this cake with no knife? Yeah. Ask my sister. She right there, straight down, doing something. We'll talk about that later.
Oh, this. Oh yeah. That's not your house. Huh? How you bring this on? How you do that? Like we can do that. You gonna say that?
So, so, Barakallahu fi zawaj. May Allah bless the union. You got it. Oh, Takbir. What you are seeing there are many women want a guy that can carry on this day. You know, you are fortunate to have that. Barakallahu fi zawaj. Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. Barakallahu fi zawaj. They are now zawj wa zawja. Husband and wife. Zawj wa zawja. They are not a couple. They are, you know, a bachelor before. No. They are not zawj wa zawja. He's now a full man. All Korean here. A full man. We thank Allah. We thank Allah. So everybody, please say, may God bless it for them.
May God bless it for you.
May God bless it for them.
May God bless it for you.
May God grant you good children.
May God grant you good children.
I want grandbaby.
May God make this union peaceful. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wassalamu ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Congratulations and thank you for taking. It's done.
Get me out of here. Part one. This is part one. That's your
Hey, y'all Sanni. Y'all too.
Mrs. Sonnies are always pretty.
Every time.
All the time.
Lie down.
Don't worry, that's what we're doing. We're coming for you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mommy, Kuche, let me see this. So we have finished. This is part 2 of part 1. Tomorrow is part 2. Then I don't know.
Thank you guys for coming out.
You're supposed to prostrate for your
My mom said I can't prostrate no more. You gotta talk to my mom about that. Oh, no.
No, you can't do it. That's dumber. Yes.
That's his strong brother.
That's it. Thank you. Oh, let me hug my bye, love you. See you later. I'll see you later. All right, thank you. Oh, you know me, huh? Oh, I'm sorry. We're going over there. Yes, mother.
How are you?
Okay, you're all ready.
Yes.
Maybe let's get some. So I had a village is some K Street and 20. K Street and
You ain't never put no chemical, no dime color chemical. Oil. Like that joint, no? Got the right I spell Nikkah. Uh-oh, girl, all day. But you know how you need to spell something, so you don't know how to search how to spell it. I'm doing it. That's what I just like oh my
Alright, so let me organize it. Right? Started at 4. Mommy. 20 minutes. Yeah, right. She's taking pictures for 2 hours. Can you go back? Can you go back? Mommy, you understand? So you're going to be the last person. Right? Daddy and all right, good. Another set. Another set.
You guys could take me here.
I got you.
I'm doing the other thing.
Why not say 2? I want you to ignore it. I remember the dance.
Okay. Why do you think
Girl, this is the beginning of the tour. I like that. Baby boom. That's how that shit. That's how that shit goes.
Hey, yes, man.
Bro, I already know, bro. Just trying to make sure. I ain't disrespectful. Hey.
It's okay like that. I like that. Yeah, go. Thank you. A little bit more. Hey, go. Yeah. First of all, thank you.
Smile, handsome man. Yeah.
Good job. Thank you.
We're not going yet? Mommy!
We need to make it snack like this.
Thank you. Mommy.
It's a big day. Tomorrow's when we get carried away. You got your I've been saving my lunch.
Why would you come here?
And my liver. Right?
For everybody. Yeah, my family. Everybody come and take pictures.
This one. Guys,
Your hair short.
let's go.
Good job.
Look at that message.